Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class once again. How are you all? I hope you are all fit and fine.
We are all fine, ma'am. Thank you.
So, children, today we are going to start with the new topic from our English grammar, and that is pronouns. Children, before we start with the pronouns, let us try to recall what are nouns. Children, we have already discussed that nouns are the naming words. They are the names of the person, place, animal, or a thing.
Ma'am, are nouns and pronouns connected to each other?
Yes, Tom. Let's try to find out how they are connected to each other. Children, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Children, a pronoun comes at the place of noun or it takes place of a noun or nouns used in a sentence. Let's try to look at some of the pronouns. I, it, you, they, we, she, he. Children, these are the pronouns which we are going to discuss today. Children, pronouns are also used to avoid repetition of nouns. That means when nouns are being repeated again and again in the sentence, and to avoid that we make use of pronouns. Children, now look here. For singular nouns we make use of following pronouns that are I, he, she and it. For the plural nouns we make use of two pronouns that are we and they. Children, let's try to discuss the pronouns in detail. Let's have a look at the first pronoun. Children, the first pronoun that we are going to discuss is I. I is used in the place of a person who is referring to himself, who is talking about himself or herself. For example, children, I am speaking. I am talking about myself. Minnie, can you make a sentence with I?
Ma'am, I can say, I am a girl.
Very good, Minnie. Children, next pronoun is she. She is used for girls and women. So children, whenever we are talking about girls or women, we will make use of she. So children, let us look at these examples. First example is, she is a doctor. Second is, she is Julie. So children, for girls, women, we will make use of she.
Ma'am, I can also make one sentence for Minnie. She is sitting quietly in the class.
Very good, Joe. It was a good attempt. Let us look at the next pronoun, children. Next pronoun is he. He is used for boys and men. So whenever we are going to talk about boys and men, we will make use of pronoun he. Children, now let us look at these two examples where we have made use of he. He is my father. Second example is, he is a clown. So children, in both the sentences we are talking about men or boys. That is why we have made use of pronoun he. Next pronoun is it. It is used for animals and things. So children, whenever we are going to talk about animals or things, we will make use of it. Let's look at these examples. It is a bed. Second example is, it is a squirrel. So children, in the first, it is a bed. Bed is a thing, and for that we have made use of it. And for squirrel also we have made use of it, as we make use of it for animals, things and birds. Tom, now it is your turn to make a sentence with it.
Ma'am, I can say, it is my pet.
Very good, Tom. So children, now we are going to discuss the next pronoun, that is they. And children, I have already told you that for plural nouns, we'll make use of they and we. So first we are going to discuss about they. Children, they is used when we are talking about more than one people, animal or things. Let's look at these examples. They are playing. They are having fun. So children, we are talking about more than one. That is why we have made use of they. Let us look at one more example. They are my grandparents. Children, if I am talking about both grandfather and grandmother, then I'll say they are my grandparents because I am talking about both of them. Children, next pronoun is we. We is used when I am talking about myself along with others. Children, for example, I am talking about myself and about you also, then I will use we. Let us look at this example. This is Meera and I. Children, in the first sentence, I is also there and Meera is also there. That is why we make use of we. We are friends. This is Joe and I. We both love ice cream. When I am included in the conversation or in the talk or in the sentence, then we will make use of we along with somebody else. Children, next pronoun is you. You is used when we mean the person or the persons we are talking to. When we are talking to that person or person, then we'll make use of you. For example, I am talking to you people. Children, pronoun you is used for both singular nouns also as well as plural nouns also. Let us look at these examples. You are singers. So this is plural. You are beautiful.
Ma'am, I also want to make one sentence. You are very nice.
Excellent, Joe. Children, let us look at few more sentences where we can replace noun with a pronoun. Look at the first sentence. Kirat is a boy. Kirat is a kind boy. Children, again, Kirat is repeated 2 times in the sentence and it's a noun. So children, we have to avoid the repetition. So we will make use of a pronoun. And I have already discussed that for a male or a boy or a man, we make use of he. So we will write the sentence like this. Kirat is a boy. He is a kind boy. Children, next sentence is, this is my mother. My mother is a teacher. Children, so my mother is repeated again and again. So I have already discussed that for a girl or a woman, we'll make use of she. So we will write the sentence like this. This is my mother. She is a teacher. Let's look at the next sentence. Ria and I study in the same class. Ria and I play together. Children, I have already told you when I is included along with somebody else, there we will make use of we. So the answer is Ria and I study in the same class. We play together. Next sentence. Ria and Sia went to the park. Ria and Sia played with the ball. Children, I have told you when we are going to talk about more than one person, then we will make use of they. Ria and Sia went to the park. They played with the ball. Next sentence. Raj wore a shirt. The shirt was dirty. So children, the shirt is the noun which is repeated again. So I have already told you that for birds, animals and things, we will make use of it. So the answer is Raj wore a shirt. It was dirty. So children, I hope you have understood how you will replace noun with pronouns. So revise pronouns.
Yes, ma'am. We have understood this.
Children, take good care of your health. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. And thank you so much.
So my dear children, thank you and have a nice day.